it's Marshmallow, and today we're going to do a Shrunken Lego set. So, we got all my Legos for this, so let's start this over. So, we're going to look at our page with everything. So, let's go. So, let's start. So, we have to use these pieces, so show me how to do it. So I'm going to need 2 blocks of those. So let's get it. This is just going to be 2 pages. So there's going to be a number 2 show. Okay, guys? So let's start. So we're going to need 2 of these pieces. Let's get them. So I need 2 big ones. Oh, wait. So 2 little ones. We got these 2 little ones just right up. Next, we're going to need 3 bottoms like that. So let's try one of those. Fold them. Here we go. So how many were this? Just 1. Next, we're going to need one of these side pieces for Legos. So let's get that. How many? We need 1. So let's get that one. And find these Legos because I put these in a box. So, I'm here to help. So, and even if you're going to need a duck for this, but it's just me with my friend Dia. So I'm going to put this thing over.
No, don't. Right. Just put it right here.
Okay, so Dia, you put some in here. Take a minute or 2. Sorry, guys. Oh, there it is. So we found one, guys. So I found one, guys. Okay, so one of that. Got it right there. Next, we're going to need one of the 4 Legos. So please, guys, wait for something because she's gonna do something. Bye. So bye. Just for a minute. We're back. So we're just going to try to find that thing that we are looking for. So it's so hard, guys. And so hard. Oh, so we got the... Never mind, guys. So, guys, my cousin E is going to do it for now first. So, my cousin E is going to do this for now first. But first, I want to find the thing I want to find. I'll just find it for you, Elise. Okay. So someone's going to hold this. Yeah. So it's going to be a pillow that's going to hold this thing. Okay, just do it. Just do it.